Thermostatic cartridge. To remove the thermostatic cartridge, first unscrew the two chrome shrouds and slide them forward. Isolate the mixer by turning the isolating valves 90 degrees anti-clockwise. Remove the lever by prising out the cover button and unscrewing the retaining screw with a 4mm Allen key. Unscrew the cartridge from the body. Inspect the cartridge for damage. Two types of sequential thermostatic cartridges exist. The original, from 2005, has a separate hot seat. The new one, from late 2010, has an integral hot seat. With the original type cartridge, if a fitting with the correct maximum blend temperature fails the field cold water isolation test and has a hot supply to blend delta T of greater than 11 and preferably greater than 14, the most likely problem is small particulate debris on the hot seating. The cartridge should be removed and the bottom face spool examined for debris. If debris is identified, it can be carefully removed by wiping clean the surfaces. Flatness of this seating is critical to performance. The hot seating in the body should also be checked for debris or damage. If either the cartridge spool or the brass rubber hot seating has become permanently damaged, they should be replaced. Whilst checking the hot spool seating face and seat, check the cold seating faces at the same time. Debris between the cold seat and spool will effectively dilute the blend, and this could lead to inappropriate compensatory setting of the spindle stops, giving rise to other performance issues. Replace the cartridge if necessary. The brass seat will be visible at the bottom of the cartridge well. A 6mm hexagonal drive is machined into the center of the brass seat. If seat removal is necessary, then proceed as follows. Obtain the seat extraction kit. From the seat extraction kit, use the 6mm Allen key and unscrew the brass seat anti-clockwise until almost disengaged. If necessary, use a tube on the short end of the Allen key to increase leverage. Keep the tool and seat in line with the bores of the product whilst extracting to prevent jamming. The replacement cartridge should be tightened to a torque of 15 Nm, and to re-secure the cartridge, we recommend the use of Permabond A011 adhesive or equivalent applied to the thread of the cartridge. The extracted brass seat is not needed and can be discarded.